Subject and predicate. In this video, we'll learn about what is a sentence, parts of a sentence that are subject and predicate. Before we learn about sentences, let's read this group of words. Reading a book. Rahul is. So, does this group of words make any sense? No, this group of words does not make any sense. Now, let's rearrange the word. Rahul is reading a book. Now, that makes some sense. So, a group of words make some sense is called a sentence. Rahul is reading a book is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. It conveys a clear meaning on its own. It always begins with a capital letter. It always ends with a punctuation mark. It could be a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Now see one example here. In this sentence, it is say that Riya is riding a bicycle. Riya, this girl is riding a bicycle. This expresses a complete thought that hence is the complete sentence. It begins the capital letter and it ends within punctuation mark, that is full stop. Now let's know about parts of sentence. There are two parts of sentences, subject and predicate. Subject is the main noun or pronoun that the sentence is about, and the predicate is the part of the sentence that provides the information about the sentence. In a sentence, the subject always tells us who is doing the action or who are talking about. The predicate always tells us the information about the subject. It tells us what the subject is doing or what the subject is describing. Let's understand the better with the help of few examples. George is going to school. In this sentence, we are talking about George, that this boy George is going to school. So, this is our subject in a sentence. If we ask who is doing this action, then the answer we get is always a subject. Where are two other hands, the rest of sentence that describe the action done by the George is always predicate. A predicate always keep the information about the action done by the subject. If we ask what is George doing, and the answer we get is always a predicate. Laura is playing badminton. In this sentence, we talking about this girl Laura is subject. So, if I ask who is playing a badminton, and the answer I get is Laura. So, Laura is our subject, whereas the rest of the sentence that describes the action done by the Laura. What is Laura doing? Laura is playing badminton. So, the answer which we got is predicate. The rest of the sentence which answer the action done by the Laura. They are watering the plants. Now, in this sentence, we are talking about these two children. But instead of now, we use pronoun and it is our subject. Because if we ask who are watering the plants, begin the answer they are the children. So, they are subject where are two rest of sentence that describe the action done by the subject and give so the small information is our predicate. So, if I ask what are the children doing and we get the answer, the children, they are watering the plant. Now children, it's time to do a exercise. Identify the subject and predicate in the given sentences. Thank you for watching. For more educational and learning videos for children, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.